Hey guys, Chelsea from Attention to Details, and I am working on our 2020 Chevy Silverado Crew Cab pickup truck. You can see it is black. It is a beast, and it's a little dirty. I haven't washed it in about 2 weeks. You can see we drove through the rain with some water drips. It's got like a light layer of dust on it. Nothing super dirty, but I figured I would just give it a quick wipe down before my kids come home from school. I have time to kill, so why not? My friend Kelly Jones sent me this product, Royal Reflections Ceramic Silica Infused Waterless Wash. And yes, I'm going to use a waterless wash on black, super finicky paint. I want to see what kind of results we can get. You're definitely, hopefully, going to notice a difference in gloss, but hopefully we're not going to notice a huge difference in scratches. When it comes time to do a waterless wash, I know a lot of people get freaked out because of swirls and scratches that might be induced. You know, at what point do you say it's too dirty? I would say when you've got a light layer of film or dust, that is the perfect scenario for a waterless wash. A lot of people would say, you know, you could just use a quick detailer, and a quick detailer might work, but I find that this is going to have a lot more lubrication and a lot more encapsulation of dirt than a quick detailer. So this is kind of that perfect scenario. So we're going to just kind of come in here. Whenever you are doing a waterless wash, don't, you know, be one of those people that feels like you have to be frugal with the product. Go heavy if you feel like you need to. But we're just going to kind of start at the top. Some people would do, you know, one swipe. I'm not going to freak out about that. You can see we've got just a little bit of dirt on there. And I'm just coming in here. These are Korean microfiber from Auto Fiber. My absolute favorite when it comes to any sort of soft paint work. I know I'm not going to scratch it, but I want to see, you know, is there going to be streaking? Is there going to be ridiculous amounts of swirls and scratches? If you can come in here. So this is our after. This is our before. You can see we've got some water spots, some light film. That's just some overspray from me spraying. But you can see here, we don't have any streaks. We've got really nice gloss. That's absolutely fantastic for a waterless wash. Really nice encapsulation. Really nice smell on that, Kelly. I'm enjoying that. We keep going. Come back in here. Again, we've got a lot of that product to kind of help lubricate, prevent scratching the paint. I have a very light touch, but we're just coming in here, doing a quick wipe. Going to go over that area one more time just because of overspray. Take our dry side and just give it a nice light touch. I could just tell you from looking at it from this way, paint looks fantastic. We're not inducing any sort of deep swirls or scratches. It is removing all of the kind of water spots and drips that were on the paint. It's removing fingerprints from my kids. Because, you know, kids, when you've got a really shiny surface, they just can't help but touch it. This is just kind of a first-person user experience when it comes to a waterless wash. I feel like sometimes we can use a product with full light and it look great, and as soon as you turn off the lights, you're going to have a completely different look. That's why I'm doing this in the dark, for you guys to see what kind of swirls and scratches might be occurring. You can just see paint looks fantastic. That is our unfinished side. You can see we just got like a little bit of dullness, streaking, and then we've got really nice paint. For the amount of road film that was on there, it did not scratch the paint. if I were to come in here, let me just go ahead and turn the lights on. Give me 1 second. Come in and turn the lights on, and we've got really nice gloss and shine. That looks fantastic. So, product does exactly what it's supposed to do. Safely removes light soiling, fingerprints, smudges, dust, debris off the vehicle safely, adding a layer of protection back down. Royal Reflections Ceramic Silica Infused Waterless Wash. Really great product. All right, 15 minutes later, and here's our end result. That is a fantastic turnaround for those of you who are wanting to kind of simplify the maintenance process for your vehicle. Maybe you don't want to have to go through an automatic car wash in the wintertime. Maybe you don't want to have to always break out your hose and fill up a bucket with 3-4 gallons of water, soap, mitt, have to deal with the annoyances of, getting wet, washing a vehicle, drying it, avoiding water spots. You just want to kind of do something quickly and in the comfort of your garage. This is a fantastic solution. When you come in here and you look at the reflection of the light, no noticeable new swirls and scratches. So that tells me it did a fantastic job of safely washing the vehicle. When we come in here, obviously we have fantastic reflection and gloss. Our paint is super slick, which is everything you're looking for from a ceramic infused product, especially our glass. I'm not noticing any sort of streaks on the glass. So, if your glass is streak free, then your paint is also going to be streak free, especially if you have clean plush microfibers to kind of do your final buff off. That's kind of key. If your microfiber starts to get too heavily soiled, switch it out, get a fresh one. If you find that even your microfiber that you're buffing things off is getting too wet or soiled, from anything left behind, then switch that out. That's definitely going to give you more of a streak-free finish. Even did the tonneau cover with the waterless wash, got all those water spots off, just left a nice, beautiful shine left behind. It's non-greasy, but it just did a really nice job of cleaning even the tonneau cover. But when you come in here and read the description, Silica Waterless Wash is the synergy of an eco-waterless wash detailer and a silica-infused paint sealant combined into a rinseless wash. This product provides a high level of cleaning, lubrication, and sealing into a one-step detailer. Treat it as though you would any waterless wash type detailer, but with the added benefit of silica protection. And this product is ready to use. And we've already gone over the instructions, but very impressive product for those of you who are looking for a waterless wash that is safe to use on a ceramic coated vehicle. Definitely check them out. Royal Reflections, my good friend Kelly Jones in Michigan. She's kind of developed this product line and is really looking to kind of take it to that next level. I always love supporting small businesses, entrepreneurs. So for those of you who are always looking to kind of try out new products, I highly encourage you guys, give them a look. She has a phenomenal product line, from a detox wash for ceramic silica infused for ceramic coated vehicles. If you're looking for more just like a sealant, Bodyguard paint sealant can last up to 12 months on a properly maintained vehicle. That's impressive. She has a lot of different degreasers, all-purpose cleaners that you can kind of test out for, cleaning plastics, leather, door jambs, engines, if you've got oil stains, things like that. Even if you are looking for kind of an enzyme cleaner to clean your carpets, a car wash and wax soap. And then we have fantastic dressings for interiors as well as for tires, plastics, etc. She even has metal polishes, leather cleaner and conditioners, a variety of products to really cover every vehicle or every part of your vehicle. Everything that I've been testing out so far, I'm really enjoying. So I just wanted to share with you guys kind of this in-depth look at one of the stars that I am finding within her product line. And I will put the link for this as well as her website down below for any of you who want to try it for yourself. I did use about a third of the bottle, which, when it comes to a huge pickup truck like this, and I did go heavy just because it is soft paint, I wanted to be super careful. An average vehicle, you probably could get, 5-6 times around the vehicle with just one bottle. So for that price, it's a great value. When you consider how much it would cost to go through an automatic car wash And, you know, even then, if you're going through a non-touch, there's always kind of that light layer of road film left behind. So then you still have to have some sort of drying aid if you want to prevent scratches. You always have to kind of dry it off because there's always water spots left behind. So you're still having to go through all that effort of safely washing a vehicle. But this way you don't have to expose it to any high pH soaps that can really weaken your protection. Here you're actually strengthening the protection, safely washing it without doing any sort of damage to your paint, your glass, your trim, even your tonneau cover. So highly impressed. I encourage you guys check it out for yourself. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you, Kelly, again for letting me experience your product line. Very impressive. I wish you all the success. We'll continue to do some videos or try out some of your future products as kind of the opportunity prevails. But thank you guys for watching, and we're going to go to a birthday party later on, but you guys have a fantastic night, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.